Hello, my oil friends. Caroline here, doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate, coming to you today. We're going to talk about frankincense, right? Our bottle of Frankie, right? Our friend. This is the king of oils. We read about it in the Bible, right? Frankincense this month in doTERRA. You can earn it for free with a 200-point order. So that doesn't matter if it's an internet order, you call in, whether it's an enrollment, you're getting started with a membership, whether you already have a membership and it's just a la carte, or if you're smart and you do a loyalty rewards and get the bonus points for it. You want to get your free frankincense this month. And so this month I've been sharing videos all throughout the month about different ways that you could use doTERRA's frankincense. And so today we're going to talk about, I mentioned earlier in a video that one of the chemical constituents that frankincense has is alpha pinene. Now that chemical constituent allows for calming and soothing benefits. So emotionally, frankincense is calming and stabilizing. And when you diffuse it or use it topically, frankincense really induces feelings of peace, satisfaction, and overall wellness. And I don't know a single person that does not want peace in their life. They want to feel satisfied and they want to be healthy. Okay, so everybody needs to be using frankincense because this actually helps with it. So it's often used in yoga practices. So if you are a yogi, this is a great oil that you can use, okay? You can apply to your pulse points to balance your mood throughout the day. Before you get started with yoga, put that on there. You can put it on a yoga spray down your mat to help clean, but also help with that feeling of peace that you have. All right, the second way that you can use frankincense is before you say your prayers. So there are a lot of people who are religious out there that believe, especially this time of year with the birth of Christ, they pray. So this actually can help connect you deeper to your higher power. There's something about that deep connection, that taking deep breaths, relaxing, feeling nice and calm that allows you to meditate and to pray and feel connected to your higher power. So definitely think about putting a drop in your hand before you say your prayers. Also, you can apply it down your spine to improve your balance, okay? So really a great oil to use that as well. So those are your 3 ways for today. Hopefully you get your free frankincense, you guys. If you have questions, let me know. Take care, my friends. Keep oiling.